Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about set. So it's just another handy tool in Python. We know about tuples, tuple objects, we know about list objects, we know about string objects. Now we're going to learn about a set object. So let's just get into a habit of, lots of stuff. So, alright, the handy thing about a string is there we go, build an unordered collection of unique elements. That's going to be our reason for using a set. And I don't know about what it's like at your house, but there is a lot of people at my house, and we're building a list. I got a little tool and I built it, and it's got apples, cereal, if I could spell cereal, milk, and let's see, we got to get some butter, and then lo and behold, somebody else puts milk on the list. So let's make sure, let's put this down far enough. I think that's fitting. Okay. So, and you're just going through, and let's say it's a big list, and you're going down, and you split up the list with everybody, and you don't want anybody to get more than one thing. So, Python has made a awesome little empty list iterable. Anybody remember what this is called? That's called our docstring. So we pass in iterable objects, just like there, iterable objects, shopping list, lo and behold, and then I print short list, and let's see what happens. So, all right, what I show you in the documentation, and there it is, unique elements. So since milk is in here once, it does not contain it twice. So now it does not destroy, because all I did was this, I put this through shopping list. Now I could have redone this and destroyed it, but right now the short list, since it is a set, you can see it is a set, and then it only puts the unique items, and this can be very, very handy. And as you can, if we remember, it says also that unordered. So this is a very, very handy tool for you to clean up any iterables, and that you want to make sure that they only have the unique items. So there we are. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing any of these videos. And thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.